This is November 510, November Kilo, of Spirit 417. Detroit to Fort Lauderdale in the yellow school bus submarine A319, otherwise known as the mini or baby Airbus. Short and stubby, but gets the job done. This is November 587, Foxtrot Echo, of Federal Express Cargo, Flight 1587 Heavy, from Memphis to Orlando, McDonnell Douglas MD-11F Trijet. And coming up into view, we have November 3751 Bravo of Delta Airlines 1104 from Hebron, CVG, Kentucky to Fort Lauderdale. This is November 8307 Kilo of Southwest Airlines 1276 from Midway, Illinois to Fort Lauderdale. This is November 327, November Bravo, of Delta Airlines 2008, Atlanta to Key West, in the mini baby Airbus, short and stubby, but gets the job done, the Airbus A319-114. This is November 588, Juliet Bravo, JetBlue 467 from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale, and the Airbus A320-232. This is November 675, November Kilo of Spirit 1079, Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale, and the yellow school bus submarine A321-231SL blastoff machine. This is November 781, Union Alpha, of United Airlines 2421, Orlando to Chicago, in the Boeing 777-222 Heavy Twin Jet. This is November 556, November Whiskey, of Delta Airlines 1937, Atlanta to San Jose, Costa Rica, in the Boeing 757-200-251-W with a rocket ship. This is November 3741 Sierra of Delta Airlines 1988. Atlanta to Georgetown, the Cayman Islands. This is November 889, Delta November of Delta Airlines 1898, Atlanta to Liberia, Costa Rica. This is November 805, Delta November of Delta Airlines 1759, Atlanta to Tacoma, Panama. Hotel Papa 1717, Charlie Mike Papa, Copa Air 236, Chicago to Tacoma, Panama. This is November 360, Delta November of Delta Airlines 1527 from Atlanta to West Palm Beach. And the Airbus A321-211SL blastoff machine.